reclining on his couch when he was killed. Those facts are undisputed. And now this jury will make a determination whether or not his life mattered. We believe in the ability of this jury, of this court, to come to a just conclusion. We, on behalf of the family, appreciate the hard work for over a year of the prosecutor's office, even during the transition. They put on a case rooted in the facts and rooted in justice. And we believe that this jury will come to the only just outcome, which is guilty. That's all I have to say.
And again, this case is going to come down to whether Amber Guyger's actions were reasonable. And the testimony that she's presented throughout this trial has led us to believe that her actions were not believable or reasonable. And again, one of the main witnesses that the defense called in this case, she indicated that when she realized that she was not on the right floor, she just looked up. This is what this case was all about. A reasonable person would have looked up. Both sides have brought in witnesses who have stated how confusing this apartment complex is. And that's really compelling arguments, because if this apartment complex is so confusing and people get off on the 3rd and the 4th floor, well, the reasonable thing to do, because of the confusion, is just to simply look up at the address, look at the number to that apartment, and Botham would be here today. On that 911 recording, we hear on a number of occasions, Amber Guyger said, "I'm going to lose my job. I didn't mean to do it." Now, we've handled, Lee, myself, and Ben Crump, we've handled these cases all over the country. People who are really, truly using self-defense don't say, "I'm going to lose my job. I didn't mean to do it." What they would say is, "Why did you make me do this? I did not want to do this." You never heard that one single time. You heard self-serving statements from Amber Guyger. And the defense would want you to believe that the state got into deflection and detraction. It wasn't that at all. Amber Guyger, on September 8th, after she took the life of Botham, had the audacity to send messages to Rivera after she took the life, saying, "Let's get drunk," getting back into her sexting. This person is a danger to society. What this case has done is it has uncovered what we have said so many times, the practices that take place within the Dallas Police Department. This city, this state, and this country has now had the opportunity to see the practices of Mike Mata and the Dallas Police Union. They have now seen it. They witnessed Mike Mata take Amber Guyger after she was a suspect, the main suspect, in a murder case in Culture. We saw it. And this has been taking place for so many days. And we know from the onset that this case should have been handled very differently. There's a number of things that was not done. And as a result, we now hope, Lee, myself, Ben, we hope that it's not going to end with Amber Guyger. His family, we are all, the citizens of Dallas County, we're demanding that the chief of police and everyone step up and look at what Mike Rivera and everyone did when they knew it was a murder, when they made the decision to delete those text messages. That is tampering with evidence, and we just cannot just ignore that.